This is the seedlings of Oncidium. And this is Oncidium deswing spot. It has got a dark yellow flower and brown spots on it. Very beautiful and having a very long flower stalk with numerous flowers. It is a spectacular flower. Today I am having the seedlings of this plant and I am going to replant it since the medium in which it is growing is already rotten. So it is time to replant. As the new roots are not developing, we have to replant the plant. And I'll demonstrate how it can be done. First of all, you have to remove all these black coconut husk. It's already rotten. So this can be removed very easily. Once it is wet, you can just tap it, then it can be removed like this. Removing this will give a trigger. As new medium comes, new roots will develop and the plant will grow very fast. In rotten medium, plants are not likely to respond as fast as in the new medium. It is advisable to report oncidiums every 2 years so that the plants will have a rejuvenated growth. We should always have this type of white green roots rather than having this type of brownish or blackish roots which are already dead. After removing the potting media, we have to wash the plants thoroughly so that all the dirt will go. And then we have to cut down the dead roots. These dead roots, if we keep, sometimes infections will start from such roots. So it is better to remove these roots and plant them fresh. These dead roots are of no use for the plants as the outer tissues are already dead. So now the plant is ready to be planted. You can also remove the old leaf tissues, dead tissues. Some of the leaves might have turned yellow. You can also cut it off. Clean all the plants, then it will be ready for the. Now I have cleaned all the plants. Now we have to remove this old roots and things like that, so we can start replanting. I am using a medium which contains charcoal, then this is land moss. It is not just sphagnum moss, and little bit of this cocoa peat, because the land moss tend to get dried off once rain stops fast. So that I am using little bit of cocoa peat so that the moisture is retained. We have to wash this and mix this well before using. Mix everything well. Medium is ready to use. You can take the plant, take little bit of the medium, now the plants are ready. This is fungicide solution. We can give a final dip in the fungicide solution. After planting, it is better to water the plants immediately so that it gives a nice effect and that the water drain off and the plants will be triggered to grow by this water treatment.